If you are searching for how to make money from home in 2026, you are not early and you are not late. You are right on time. Working from home is no longer a trend, it is a shift. The question is not whether people can make money from home. The real question is why most people still are not. In this video, I am going to explain what actually works in 2026 and what beginners need to stop wasting time on, because making money from home is real, but only if you understand how it actually works. The biggest mistake people make when trying to work from home is chasing jobs rather than building systems. They look for remote jobs, they look for side gigs, they look for quick fixes, and when those do not work, they quit. Working from home is not about trading hours for dollars. It is about building something that pays you without being tied to a clock. If you want freedom, you need leverage, and leverage comes from systems. In 2026, the internet rewards three things: attention, value, and consistency. That is it. If you can get attention by showing up where people already are, provide value by answering questions people are already asking, and stay consistent long enough, money follows. This is why content-based income has exploded. You do not need an office. You do not need employees. You do not need a product. You need a system. One of the simplest systems for beginners is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means you promote an existing product or service. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. No inventory, no customer support, no product creation. This is why affiliate marketing works so well from home. You can run it from a laptop, from a phone, from anywhere, but only if it is done the right way. Most people fail at affiliate marketing because they focus on links instead of people. Spamming links does not work. Begging people to buy does not work. What works is education. When you teach, explain, or document something useful, people trust you. And trust is what converts. In 2026, the winners are not the loudest. They are the clearest. Clear content wins. This is where AI changes everything. AI helps beginners move faster without needing years of experience. AI can help you write scripts, generate content ideas, repurpose videos, stay consistent without burning out. Instead of spending months learning technical skills, beginners can now focus on execution. AI does not replace effort, it removes friction. And removing friction is how beginners win. Now, let us talk about expectations. Making money from home is not instant. Anyone promising overnight success is lying. What actually works is momentum, small daily actions, stacked over time, inside a proven system. The first few weeks may feel slow. That is normal. Most people quit here. The people who stay consistent are the ones who get paid later. Mindset matters more than tools. If you treat working from home like a hobby, it will pay like a hobby. If you treat it like a skill you are building, it will pay like a career. Freedom is not free, but it is simple. You must decide that learning how to earn from home is a priority, not someday, now. This is why mentorship matters. Mentorship removes guesswork. Instead of trying everything, you follow one proven path. Instead of wasting time, you focus on what actually works. People who work from home almost always have guidance. They do not do it alone. They plug into systems that already produce results. If you want to make money from home in 2026, start with this. Learn how online systems work. Understand affiliate marketing. Use AI to move faster. And stay consistent longer than most people. I have included a link where you can access the free training that explains this in more detail. It shows how people are combining AI and affiliate marketing to build an online income from home without creating products or having experience. There is real education inside, and at the end, it explains how to go deeper if you choose to. No pressure, just information. Check the link in the description, and I will see you in the next video.